Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix this error that you're looking on the screen. It's really simple to do, so let's begin. First, we have to click Windows plus R and this window is going to open. We have to search %app data percentage and then we have to go to the app data folder. We click on local and here on local we have to delete the Roblox folder. So it's really simple. Once we do that, we have to disable the VPN. For this, we have to search on settings. This is Windows 10. And here we have to go to network. Here on network, we have to go to VPN. And here on VPN, we have to make sure that everything is disabled. Just to make sure we disable all this. I don't have a VPN active, but if you have one, you have to disable. Then we reinstall Roblox from the main page. It's roblox.com. It's really simple to do this. We just follow the steps and we wait for the installation. So once this is done, it's really simple. All the steps are almost done. The only thing left is to make sure that the firewall is okay, so we have to go to firewall and settings and network protection, and here we click this first option that you're looking here. We click right here and then this window is going to open. We have to click on change settings, allow this, and search for the Roblox folder. Here on the Roblox folder we have to make sure that these two ticks are allowed. So we just make sure that and we put OK. So lastly, if none of this works, you just have to make sure that you're using a reliable connection. So we go to speedtest.com and here we have to do the test and then we can see if our connection is reliable or not. So that will be all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment section. So thank you very much and goodbye.